Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and we kind of wanted to wrap up the summer with being here on Platz Europejski, where we have this. You've probably seen this sign before, but it's I love Warsaw. So you may have seen that on a lot of photos or a lot of vacation photos. But if you haven't got your picture here now, it's always worth coming out here and having a couple drinks at one of the restaurants outside, or if it's winter, quick photo and back inside. A lot of interesting things here. This is where Spire building is, owned by Emo Finance now, and developed by Glamco. And this whole area has really become, and Rondo Dashenskiego has really become or increased the CBD size of Warsaw. So you have, of course, Glamco building some new buildings there as well, or just finishing up some buildings, and they've sold a few already. Some hotels there, Crown Plaza, and I think Google has their offices there now. Also, Skanska built a few buildings. Built a building on Rondo Dashenskiego, and also they've got another one under construction. Karampol has just the highest building in town, I think, going up there, or the highest restaurant in Warsaw being constructed now, also on Dashenskiego. So also a great place to have an office or to come out and take a look at when you're in town. The unit, which was produced by or developed by Glamco, again, they've got a great little tourism place called Skyfall there, and you get to look down on the city from their top floor. So also a good thing to look at. So a lot of businesses, a couple nice restaurants. Okay, Styx, and of course Barbu here is a very nice restaurant. Styx has been around for several years. Of course, everyone loves it. Great drinks there as well. Anyway, in general, it's a great place to work, but also a great place to come and hang out as well. So anyway, we'll jump over to, good to see you all on this Monday morning. We'll jump over to Winston right now in our studio for the news, and enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll see you Tuesday morning. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Good Monday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. We'll start in Romania, where Prime Kapital and its investment partner MAS plan to invest almost 2 billion euros in retail, office and residential developments in the country by 2029. The two companies entered a joint venture partnership in 2016 and are investing predominantly in retail assets at the moment, and carefully selecting residential projects and, depending on opportunities, other real estate assets. They've secured over 1.5 million square meters of gross leasing area in development opportunities. And according to Maggie Kitshoff, a residential and office partner in Prime Kapital, our residential development pipeline is on track with our medium-term goal to deliver 2,000 quality dwellings per year over multiple cities in Romania. Moving to the Czech Republic, and LaSalle Investment Management have launched the development of 100 yards in MAPIC in central Prague. The project will transform 3 separate buildings into one mixed-use complex, which will feature shopping and office space. The refurbishment of the project, originally built in the 19th century, is scheduled to open in the second half of 2024. And the project is being designed by architects from Studio Act and is going to be managed by Gleeds. And LaSalle will submit the completed project for sustainability accreditation, aiming for the rating of LEED Gold. 100 yards will offer significant leasing opportunities, and Cushman & Wakefield is the exclusive retail leasing agent for the project. Moving to Poland, and Panattoni has and Media Expert have both formally opened the latest section of the Media Expert Logistics Centre within the Central European Logistics Hub located near Łódź. Two buildings with an area of 160,000 square metres, one which has been handed over for use and the other to be completed within a year, have been connected to Media Expert's pre-existing building to create a nationwide distribution complex. Together, the three buildings take up 232,000 square metres and employ around 1,000 people. Eventually, the Central European Logistics Hub will have an area of over 720,000 square metres. And finally for today, Dom Tovory Warszawa Jr. has reconfirmed its unique position in Warsaw and welcomed a personalised interactive shopping experience and the largest selection of Adidas products in Warsaw on 3 floors of the Sava building on Marszałkowska Street. And according to Scott Dyer, Group Managing Director at Atrium European Real Estate, the opening of the Adidas store in Dom Tovory Warszawa Jr. is undoubtedly one of the most important events in the Polish retail industry this year. The new store will be located on 3 levels and has 2,400 square metres of space. And those are the highlights from the website for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.